Welcome back friends, I am Mohammad Tahir Ahmed, your online instructor. So friend, from this video we will begin to stylize our small.css. So this page is open. First of all, I remove this example text and once again I make add sign here and I write char set double quotes and semicolon to close UTF/8. So I make some comments here, slash, static sign, static and backslash. So here I will write layout for small screens. Control S to save. So now friend, I will press enter and first of all I will call the header tag. I write here header and make two curly brackets and here I define it is width 50 pixel and I also give some background. Use an image for background, header, URL, parenthesis, and here I will write the folder name, images, backslash, and I go, and this is a small banner, small/banner.jpg. JPG it is extension. So I write here small/banner.jpg. No repeat, write 0 pixel. Control S to save. So now friend, I come here and refresh this page. Actually this preview is for medium devices, so I decrease its size. So now you see that this header image is showing here very small size. So now friend, I once again come here and here I will call the header a.logo. I make two curly brackets and first of all I define it is width 105 pixel. So I come down, I also define it is height 40 pixel. Give it a top position 10 pixel, press enter and also define it is right position 1 pixel and I give it the logo image background slash image column URL and parenthesis. So friend, here I will write the folder name images and I go to images and friend, this is the small logo 40 multiply 40. So I come here and I write here small dot logo dot png because it is in the PNG format. Once again I go here small/logo and PNG is extension. So friend, I control plus press S to save and now I go to my Chrome browser and refresh it. So you see that logo has been removed, so I don't know why. I come back, background slash image URL images small dot logo png. Actually it is width is 40 pixel, not 105 pixel, because it is 40 multiply 40. Yes, 40 multiply 40. And now I come back here and refresh it page, but once again logo is not showing here. So I see that what is the problem. I come here, header a logo. So friend, this is the mistake. Actually, you see, it is not the small dot logo, it is a small slash logo. Image name is small slash logo, but I wrote here small dot logo. So once again I come here and refresh this page. So you see now this logo is showing here. So now friend, once again I come back and now I will call the article tag. So I write here article and make these two curly brackets and give some padding, 20 pixel from top, 20 pixel from right, 10 pixel from bottom and 20 pixel from left. So friend, now I go to browser. So this is the article tag. This text is inside the article tag. So I refresh this page. So you see that there has been little change happened here, because this navigation bar is here. Actually for small size of devices, this navigation bar will come down here right above the footer. So it does not matter. Once again I come back here and now I will stylize the article, ARTICLE, padding 20 pixel, 20 pixel, 10 pixel and 20 pixels. So friend, now I will call the nav bar, nav, and I think I should stylize navigation bar in next video.